Hi everybody, my name is Jermaine. Today I'm going to talk about a special washing machine. There are two people, Shannon and Simon. Start. Shannon, do you sell washing machine? Simon, yes, we're having a special sale of the washing machine here. Could you give me some information about it? What is made in Denmark? The name looks Danish. No, it's from Sweden. It's a Swedish machine. Would you like a demonstration? Sure. I'd like to see how it washes. It's very simple to operate. I'll demonstrate. Here are some sheets and shirt. You put them in the machine and shut the door. Then you just push this button. The machine shouldn't shake like that, should it? Washing machines always shake. Ah, it's finished. But the sheets have shrunk, and look at how short they showed are. Oh, Dora illustrated. Illustrates always shrink a little, and those shirts were short before we washed them. Well, I'm not sure. Could you show me another washing machine? Certainly, but this is the only machine we have with special shelf bright. We also have this question shelf. Would you like a demonstration? Thank you.